How do I tell Matplotlib to create a second, new plot, then later plot on the old one? I want to plot data, then create a new figure and plot data 2, and finally come back to the original plot and plot data 3, kinda like this. FYI, how do I tell Matplotlib that I am done with a plot? Does something similar, but not quite. It doesn't let me get access to that original plot.
If you find yourself doing things like this regularly, it may be worth investigating the object-oriented interface to Matplotlib. In your case, it is a little more verbose, but it's much clearer and easier to keep track of, especially with several figures each with multiple subplots.
When you call figure, simply number the plot. Edit. Note that you can number the plots however you want, here, starting from 0, but if you don't provide figure with a number at all when you create a new one, the automatic numbering will start at 1, MATLAB style according to the docs.
However, numbering starts at 1, so also, if you have multiple axes on a figure, such as subplots, use the axis H command, where H is the handle of the desired axis object, to focus on that axis. Don't have comment privileges yet, sorry for new answer.
The accepted answer here says to use the object-oriented interface, Matplotlib, but the answer itself incorporates some of the MATLAB style interface, matplotlib.plot. It is possible to use solely the OOP method, if you like that sort of thing. This gives the user manual control over the figures, and avoids problems associated with Plot's internal state supporting only a single figure.
If you want to see my digital signature sliding